So today we are going to be looking at what is our price prediction for the month of June. And today we are going to be using our R model, which we love to use. Remember, we did a price prediction right here based on the R model last month, expecting that we could see some sideways price action, and it happened exactly as predicted. The R model is based on the crypto market, which started exactly in 2010. And as you can see, every single time we had the halving based on the R model, everything has worked exactly as predicted. We had the first halving right here in 2012. We saw 2 months of consolidation before we saw this massive bull run right here exactly to the top of our rainbow model. The second halving, which we had in 2016, we basically had 3 months of sideways price action till the bottom, and we saw a massive push to the upside based also on the rainbow model. Right on the third halving, which happened in 2020, we saw 4 months of basically just boring price action sideways before we saw this sort of massive push to the upside right here on the chart. And currently we have just had the fourth halving right here, which happened in April. We said expect minimum the next 3 months, which will happen in April. We said expect April, May, June, July to basically be some sort of sideways price action before we see any push to the upside. So basically, we would be moving to the charts to see what we are expecting for the month of June. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So today we are on the chart right here for YEARN.finance, YEARN.finance versus the USD Theta. We're on the weekly time frame. KuCoin is the data source. And so to find our price prediction right here for the month of June, we are going to be using our Fibonacci price prediction, drawing the highest from our highest level right here to the lowest level. Like we did last month, we were saying that for our YFI, we are expecting some sort of consolidation throughout the month of May through June. And basically that was because of our rainbow chart or our R model. We're saying after the halving, we saw 3 months of consolidation before we saw this bull market. In 2020, we saw these 4 months of consolidation before we saw this bull market. So we said right here in 2024, expect a minimum of 4 months right here, which is April, May, June, and July before we see any sort of breakout to the upside. So for YFI, we're saying we are still in this consolidation phase, where we are still expecting prices to still consolidate at least for the month of June going into July before we see any sort of breakout to the upside. But mind you, we continue to still remain bullish right here on YFI, expecting that a massive break into this $0.682 level, which is at the $55,000 level. It's going to happen soonest right here for YFI. So basically that is our price prediction. We could continue to see this consolidation before we see that breakout coming soon, probably in the next 1 to 2 months. So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.